Hey guys, we'll be back again to this new video tutorial with the OSP Pro. In this video again, I'm going to show you in this video of ours in C++. I'm going to show you guys again what's identifiers and how to use them. Now, I have to make this so clear. Let me first wind it with this thing off. I want to start afresh. So we are going to be looking at one known as identifiers in C++. Now, identifier simply refers to if you try to look on what we have just covered earlier, which is variables and identifiers, why I happen to explain, let me just use an integer int. Now, identifiers behave in this way. If I say a is equal to having 4, in a simple term, a is an integer holding is equal to 4. That implies anyway we shall be seeing into the program, and we just try to tell the program to compute for us a. It will just understand that a is 4. Otherwise, if I happen to just compile here and I say a, it will just discover that a is 4. Now, if you try to frame out to come to identifiers to understand, that statement a is totally different from underscore a. You get? If I say a is equal to 3, it will discover that a with underscore a is totally two different statements within this program. Because if I happen to come to run this program, you will discover that I've defined a, but I've not called for a. To call for a, I have to first make an underscore there in the program to make the program understand what I'm trying to talk about, which otherwise will print for us 3. Now let me make things point clear that identifier simply enables us to know that C programming or C is key sensitive. A and underscore a is a different statement, and whenever you are defining or you are declaring a variable, or whenever you are declaring a variable, be very keen, whereby it has to be, first of all, you have to know the language is key sensitive, in that this one is different from this statement a, and this a, if this is capital letter and this is a smaller letter, or sorry, this is a capital letter a, and if that's what I have and I call for it here, you will discover that capital letter is totally different from what are small letters. That implies in a simple term that a and a are different statement. And another thing you have to know, that whenever you're using using identifiers or trying to use in declaring a variable, we don't start with the numbers. You get? We don't start with any number. If you want to use numbers, then you start with the letter, then you can use a number later on, or you can always hold it by underscore if you want, or you can either start your statement with an underscore, just like you've seen mine previously. If you don't want that, still also you can make your program in capital letters if you want to use capital letters within your program. Now, otherwise, there are some key statements or some words which are preserved by the program. Give assumption, like the statement known as hash. Hash is always, you always use hash whenever you are using one was trying to pick the preprocessor directives or defining the constants. They are special stuff for special. Another thing is like maybe and they are special characters, so we don't use them. So guys, if this is your first time to watch my programming video, I will request you please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and then we try to see how we can always help one another. Then for anyone of you who is interested for the book, then guys, you can always comment down on my video, so that guys I can help him to send for you one of my programming videos, so you guys the mini books, so that you can use them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, then you can always comment down on my video, so that guys you can get them. So guys, thanks for watching for this short video on identifiers. I hope you guys have mastered those stuffs, the basics. If there's anything you would like to ask me, please you can always comment below the video, then I can always try to answer you out. So guys, thanks for watching. Love you all.